This 2026 load trail, GP 102 inches by 25 feet low pro gooseneck trailer 14K max ramps is a Deckover flat deck trailer. It is located in Buhl, Idaho, 83316 and is offered for sale by Idaho Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new load trail is 25 feet 0 inches in length. The unloaded weight of this 2026 load trail, GP 102 inches by 25 feet low pro gooseneck trailer 14K max ramps is 5,590 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Idaho Trailer Sales.